Little parrot is clever, little parrot is bright. He speaks all day, he sleeps all night. He is now in the cage and he wants to read a page. The little girl has got a book, the parrot wants to have a look. He wants to read, he wants to talk, he wants to go for a walk.